May I, Lordship? Read petition dismissed. Read petition dismissed. Yes.
May I please, Malad?
Yes.
Malad, I beg to mention item number 17, Malad.
But in item number 17, on the last occasion also, this date was specifically fixed. They're seeking for tomorrow, madam. So if it is for tomorrow, then I don't have any objection. Otherwise, madam, this is.
What is the matter? You're for the petitioner.
Yes, Malad.
What is the matter?
This pertaining to the process adopted for recalling of the order of issuing land possession certificate.
Oh.
Only to find out whether the authority could have done it or not, and whether.
Malad, leading counsel M. Kato is out of registration, Malad. Therefore, matter may be list tomorrow, Malad.
Tomorrow, I don't know. You can take a chance, but very limited. Tomorrow.
Yes.
Pass over the matter.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I wish to mention item number 23, Your Lordship. I have taken concern from the other side. I have received pair-wise comments, and within a week I will file my reply, Your Lordship.
You're the counsel for the
Sole respondent, Your
sole respondent.
Lordship.
I feel for petition, a particular date may be fixed. Really.
When do you want it?
Let it be on 11th.
11th September.
Yes,
You are Mr. A.K. Singh.
Lordship.
Mr. A.K. Singh, the learned counsel for the respondents. 6 adjournment of the case on 11/9/2024. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay. Much.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 33. Lordship.
Item?
33.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship, I am for the respondent 2 entry department. Lordship. Here, the petitioner has already passed away. Lordship. It's almost been more than 1 year. Lordship. This was related. This
Who is for the petitioner?
petitioner, the name reflected Zakir Hussain has also passed away. Lordship.
Pardon?
But he is also no more. Lordship.
Who?
Zakir Hussain, the petitioner.
No, the counsel.
Counsel for the petitioner, yes, Zakir Hussain.
Zakir, you are mentioning item 30.
3.
Oh,
Both the petitioner and counsel for the petitioner is no more. And
but
this,
there are so many petitioners. Mr. T.T. Tara is also there. I am seeing you.
I am aware of this. Well, I'll check and come back.
Huh.
Definitely, we must have accepted the brief. Oh, but I'm sorry, but I was, after Brother Hussain passed away, I was engaged in this case. Unfortunately, this, Sir Jumar may expired. So, no point of pursuing the matter. Maybe closed.
Should we or should we give you some time to seek instructions?
No, because my youngest father only.
You take instructions, at least one. Okay,
After we.
yes. Mr. T. Tara, the learned counsel for the petitioner, shall take necessary instructions and place it on the next date fixed. Listed after a week. Okay.
Obliged.
May I please, my lord?
Yes, please.
My lord, I beg to mention one WPC, my lord, for listing today, for withdrawal only, my lord,
Okay, tomorrow?
today, my lord.
Tomorrow?
Yes, after. This is for withdrawal only, my lord.
Unlisted, Okay, tomorrow?
Today, my lord. If
Okay.
possible.
Okay.
May I, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, Lordship.
1-6.
1-6, Lordship. So I am for the petitioner. My file has been misplaced, Your Honor. I need 1 week time to reconstruct the file, Your Honor.
16.
16, Your Honor.
You're the counsel for the petitioner. You have misplaced the file.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your good name?
B type of dear, Lordship.
B.
Type of dear.
Taibodia.
Yes,
Okay.
Your
Mr. B. Taibodia. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has misplaced the file and therefore seeks for a week's time to reconstruct the same. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
B, please, your lordship.
Yes.
So I beg to mention, my lord, item number 34 to 38, these are analogous matter, my lord. I could not prepare well due to my illness, so I need 2 weeks time for
30.
34 to 38, my lord.
Okay. Okay.
I am
You are the
petitioner.
counsel for the
Petitioner.
Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he is not ready to argue the case today and therefore seeks adjournment of the case for a week.
Yes.
Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Highly honored.
May I please, my lord?
Yes, please, yes.
I beg to mention item number 27. Here I am for the petitioner.
Yes.
Yes. Sorry, yes, respondent. I am for the respondent.
You are for the respondent.
Yes, yes,
27.
yes,
Item 27.
yes, yes.
Yes.
We are yet to receive affidavit from respondent number 2 from, so,
Respondent number 2 has
Okay.
filed affidavit.
yes, yes, but we haven't received the affidavit yet. Government advocate from government
You are for the respondent number
345.
3, 4, 5. Respondent number 2 is for the state.
Yes,
State.
yes, it says it's deputy commissioner.
State has filed.
Yes, we have filed.
You have filed. Furnish copies. Okay.
Yes,
When?
Today, your lordship.
Okay. MS so-and-so, the learned government advocate shall furnish the affidavit filed on behalf of the state to the respondent number 3, 4, and 5 in the course of the day.
For two,
Listen.
your lordship. For two, we have filed.
Pardon?
For two, we have filed.
That's why. That's why. Listed after 2 weeks. Okay.
obliged.
May I, Your Honor?
Yes, please.
Your Honor, I beg to mention item number 15,
1, 5.
15.
Ah,
The leading counsel is having some health issues.
who is the leading counsel?
B. Arun.
B. Arun. Okay.
Matter may be fixed after 4 weeks. Your Honor.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, makes a mention on behalf of Mr. B. Arun, the leading counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment for 4 weeks on the ground that Mr. B. Arun is indisposed. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Hello, Your Lordship.
My lordship,
Yes,
I beg to mention item number 13, your lordship, on behalf of Jumgam Jina, JG, lordship.
item 13.
13, 1-3, your lordship.
You are mentioning on behalf of
Respondent number, Jumgam Jini, for respondent number 5, 7, and 8, your lordship.
5, 7, and 8.
Right.
Your lordship, this matter may be fixed on next week, your lordship. Due to some personal difficulties, health issues, he could not appear today, your lordship.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so makes a mention on behalf of Mr. J. Ginny, correct?
Yes, Judge.
The learned counsel for the respondent number 5, 7, and 8 and seeks adjournment of the case for a week. Prayer is allowed? Listed.
Your lordship, fixed date may be given for the convenience of senior advocate.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Mook, when do you want it?
I am the petitioner here
Ah.
in the case. So specific date may be given.
That's why. What is your convenient date?
Six.
What is your convenient date?
Next week, 6 maybe, 6.
Next is, huh?
Is it convenient on 6th?
Oh, 10, on 10th, your lordship.
Listed on 10, 9, 2024. Okay.
But it's very simple matter.
Matter simple, but they are seeking for adjournment.
Obliged, lordship.
My lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26 on behalf of N. Pada. The leading counsel is out of station.
On behalf of Mr.
N. Pada.
Okay. Yes,
Kindly this matter may list after 3 weeks.
Mr. So-and-so Learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. N. Pada, learned counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks on the ground that Mr. N. Pada is out of station. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 18, my lord. My lord, item number 18, my lord, I have an instruction to withdraw this matter as not pressed, my lord.
Tabatagum.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Tabatagum, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has instructions to withdraw the writ petition. Stop. The writ petition is accordingly allowed to be withdrawn. Okay.
May I sign, my lord?
Yes,
Well, I beg to mention item number 39, my lord.
item
39, my lord, 39.
51.
With consent of other side, my lord, I pray, my lord, this be listed as 3 weeks, my lord.
You are D. Kamduk
No, I am L per me, my lord,
and Perme
my lord, for the petitioner, my lord,
for the petitioner.
my lord.
A. Perme,
L per me, my lord.
where your name is not reflected.
Dear, my lord, second, my lord, in the petitioner number 2nd, my lord.
L. Oh,
L.
L. Okay, okay. Mr. L. Perme, the learned counsel for the petitioner, seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks,
3, my lord, 3.
for 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Interim, my lord, that may continue. Interim is dated, may continue.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next.
Further, my lord, item number 30, my lord, 30, my lord. 30, my lord, 30, my lord. Here, my lord, I am appearing for respondent, my lord, state respondent as a standing counsel power department, my lord.
Ah,
I beg some more time, my lord, to file affidavit of opposition in this case, my lord.
affidavit,
Yeah, my lord.
affidavit.
I have been,
My lord, I am here for the petitioner, my lord.
Ah,
So, my lord, steps upon the private respondent is still awaited, my lord. I may be allowed to take justice service upon the private respondent or its representative, my lord.
private respondent or its representative, I think that is not proper. Take,
Representative, my lord, there is a power of attorney holder, my lord. Because this private respondent is from Assam Kokrajhar, my lord. The representative are from Arunachal, my lord.
the power of attorney,
There is a power of attorney holder, my lord, of private respondent, my lord, form.
Mr. Your good name?
I am L per,
No, you,
BP chairman.
B. Picha.
Yes.
Mr. B. Picha, the learned counsel for the petitioner, is allowed to take steps for service of notice
Dusty, my lord.
by Dusty upon the respondent number 4,
7.
upon the
Private
respondent,
respondent,
upon the respondent number
7.
7,
Yes, ma'am.
and slash or his representatives within a period of
2 weeks, my lord.
within a period of 2 weeks from today.
Right.
Mr. L. Permi, SC Power, is also allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. listed after 3 weeks.
My lord, obliged.
High level.
Well, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, 11,
1-1.
on behalf of the defunct, Lordship.
Deep hanging.
Yes, Lordship.
Item 1-1 is with item 10
Yes.
and with item 12.
Item 11,
Item 11.
yes.
That's why item 11 is with item 10 and 12. There are 3 items,
Yes, Lordship.
correct? Yes, what is your prayer?
Learned Council defunct is out of station, Lordship. So
So this will be 3 items. Mr. So-and-so, Learned Council makes a mention on behalf of Mr. D. Pangi, Learned Council for the petitioner in WPC 30/2014 and seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks on the ground that Mr. D. Pangi is out of station. Prayer is allowed. Listed after 2 weeks.
item, Your Honor, item 21, Lordship.
Yes.
I-
Same
Yes,
prayer.
yes, yes.
Same prayer. No?
And Lordship, item 35.
Item 35.
Yes, Lordship.
35, I think it is mentioned. 34, 35 mentioned.
35.
35.
Yes.
35 is mentioned. Huh? Mentioned.
Obliged, Lordship.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 32. My lord,
30.
I have taken consent from the councils from the respondent sites. But let it be taken up after 2 weeks.
Mr. T. Patin, correct?
Yes, my lord.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Obliged.
May I, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, this is a contempt petition, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, through this petition, we are initiating a contempt proceeding against the respondents for their willful and deliberate disobedience
Please,
of the
Mr. So-and-so. Learned Counsel for the petitioner. The contempt petition has been filed, alleging disobedience of the order dated 22/7/2024, passed by this court in WPC 156 AP/2024. Stop. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent by registered post with AD within a period of 3 days.
3 days.
3 days.
1 week.
Steps, 4 steps.
1 week.
Within a period of 7 days from today. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Yes, what is,
Yes, my lord, the petitioner was recommended for award of contract work by the election board, my lord. In pursuant to that, my lord, letter of acceptance was issued by the respondent number 3.
yes, Mr. Tapin,
Lordship,
you were
for-
asked to get
As
instructions.
per instruction, Lordship. Petitioner was, Lordship, retained by the authority, Lordship, to come and sign the Lordship agreement, at the same time to deposit the Lordship performance guarantee, Lordship. And that was duly received, but even the receipt pion book has been, extra copy has been furnished to me, Lordship. It was received by the younger brother of the petitioner, Lordship, in his own residence, Lordship. And in spite of.
When was it received?
It was-
When was the letter furnished to the, when was the letter issued?
Letter was issued on, my lord, 12th of, my lord, 20.
When
12th
was
of
the letter
June,
issued?
12th of June. 12th of June, my lord, is page 22. Page 22, my lord.
24:6.
Well,
No,
no,
not this,
12,
not
6.
this, not this.
12:6, my lord. Page 22, my lord.
Type copy is at page 23 also. Like, it's a more legible one.
Yes, one was this letter received.
It was received on 14 June also.
And what is the fate of this work?
Lordship, after that lordship, when the lordship performance guarantee was not deposited lordship, then lordship, the authority having no option lordship, forwarded to the higher authority for appropriate decision lordship. Accordingly, the tender has been cancelled and the press tender has been approved lordship.
My lord,
Now, the petitioner has to, new course of action has arisen lordship. That has to be challenged lordship.
New tender has been floated cancelling your tender.
yes, my lord, but my lord, the date, if my lord, any cancellation has been,
No,
my lord,
see,
it has to be
Mr.
punished to
Leonard
me.
Counsel,
I think, my lord.
it seems the letter dated 12/6/2024 was received on 14/6/2024.
My lord,
So your averment is not correct.
my lord, kindly appreciate, my lord. That is not received by me. my lord.
No, okay, now
Yes, ma'am.
just see,
Yes, my lord.
we stay this tender. What purpose will it serve to you? What purpose? They floated a new tender.
Yes, my lord.
You challenge that. They have cancelled your tender.
That's I understood, my lord. But as per my instruction, my lord, it has not been cancelled till today, my lord. As per my instruction, my
No, but as per the government,
lord, I have not punished with a copy of that, my lord. Without
have
copy,
you, do you have the necessary documents stating that it has been cancelled and then it has been floated?
No,
You-
so our floating is concerned lordship. That has not yet been floated lordship, but the approval for retender lordship after cancellation.
That is approval only, my lord.
No, after cancellation.
After case.
That is important. Your tender has been cancelled.
My lord, let me have the copy, my lord.
You should challenge that.
Yes, my lord, I should, if that is cancelled, my lord, I should challenge that.
The
my lord.
Can I just have a look, Mr.
Yes,
Captain?
cop-
Can I just have a look?
Yes, yes. And statement is in the last paragraph. This is the instruction which I have received from the authority lordship. If lordship see the instruction in the last paragraph lordship. And this is the supporting documents lordship.
I think you will have to challenge this approval letter for retender.
But that is only approval, my lord. Till then, my lord, no order has been passed, my lord. For a president, my lord. After cancelling the.
Without cancelling the approval order. Will it serve any purpose?
My lord, in my humble submission, my lord, let them come in the form of affidavit, my lord. Since, my lord, as per my instruction, my lord.
Affidavit but no stay. In view of this letter,
My lord,
affidavit, that is your right. But no stay,
but my lord,
because any stay may create further problems.
my lord, that is only approval, my lord, in my humble submission. That is only
Otherwise, lordship,
approval, my
within a week, I can file the affidavit.
Yes, let him file affidavit.
But till then, my lord. Since, my lord, there is entry order, my lord, that may be extended. 1 week, it's a matter of 1 week, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, this copy of the approval, my lord. Maybe promise to me, my lord.
Ah, he
So
will
that I will send the
definitely.
instruction.
Then lordship, it may be closed lordship, then I'll furnish the
No, my-
copy today itself.
My lord.
So that petitioner can challenge this lordship order. There's a press course of action lordship.
Not to cancel, your prayer is not to cancel the NIT 27 to 2024.
It is,
But since approval order has been issued, it is implied that your NIT has been cancelled.
My
It is
lord,
implied
but
by
my lord,
implication.
approval is there, but cancellation
So
cancellation order was.
we will allow
issued
the
that-
government, we will allow the government to file a affidavit on the instructions received, but we are not staying. That may create more complications.
My lord, the balance of convenience. is
One
my
week
favor.
will, 1 week will not harm you because actually after that, after you receive this, you can challenge this also.
My lord, kindly appreciate.
Don't waste time. Don't waste time, but challenge this.
Otherwise, lordship, this read petition has become in process lordship. If lordship see the prayer number one lordship, not
Ah.
to cancel, it has been already cancelled lordship.
That's why.
Approval,
That's why.
cancellation, my lord, it's, my lord, different
Okay,
thing.
that is your understanding, but if you still want to waste time, then we give time to the government to file affidavit.
My lord, that cancellation order may be promised to me. Let my lord,
He will furnish
Yes.
in the form of an affidavit. He will furnish in the form of an affidavit. That is what the court will direct.
yes, ma'am.
Mr. S. Tapin, the Learned Senior Government Advocate, he is allowed 1 week's time to file affidavit on the instructions received. Listed accordingly. Okay.
My lord, my lord, there is already an interim order, my lord. My lord, that may be till
The-
7, my lord. The till was, why it's matter of 1 week only. Kindly, my lord.
No,
Balance of convenience is in my favor. Kindly, my
see, I think we should all be reasonable. We should, because actually the government has produced the record and in the record. It impliedly shows that your tender has been cancelled. That is why they have given approval for retender. So how can actually court state is a
My lord, till,
tender which has been cancelled?
till my lord, next date, my lord,
No.
no press tender, my lord. No press tender, my lord. Send
Okay.
receipt, my lord. No press tender, my lord.
After a
Yes,
week
sir.
lordship. After a week.
Let this court direct, let them take action, you challenge that. This court cannot give you all the relief under the sun.
Lord, kindly proceed.
Okay.
Problem.
Oblige.
May I, your lordship?
Yes.
Your lordship, this matter is in respect of the cancellation of the transfer order, your lordship. Your lordship, the impugned order,
Cancellation of the transfer order.
transfer order, impugned order is at page 35, your lordship.
Page
35, your lordship. By this order, your lordship, the transfer order dated 22nd July 24 has been cancelled, your lordship. That transfer order was issued on the request of the petitioner here in your lordship.
Where is this order dated?
This is at page 27, your lordship, 28, your lordship. Page 28 is the transfer order which has been cancelled. Your lordship, pursuant to this order, your lordship, I have been released, your lordship, and release order is at page 29 on the next page. my transferred place was DMO office Changlang. So I submitted my from DC office Changlang to DMO office Changlang.
Why that the interest for DMO's office, Changlang?
Your lordship, the reason was that, your lordship, in DC office Changlang, I have been employed in the nature of work which involves heavier work, your lordship, and I have been diagnosed from TB, your lordship. So I made representation before the concerned authority for transferring me DMO office Changlang, where lighter work is involved. So considering that, this transfer order was passed, your lordship.
Oh, same place, Changlang.
The establishment, the nature of work in the establishment of DC office, your lordship, it's very hard work, your lordship. That's why, your lordship, I prayed for DMO Changlang. That's why the concerned authority has also issued,
Do you have that preference?
your lordship.
That, do you have that preference that you should be kept in a place where actually there are
No,
light
no, your
works,
lordship,
not
that's-
heavy works and all this?
No, your
Do
lordship.
you have that preference?
No, your lordship. That's why I just made the request. So considering my request, my representation, this order was issued, your lordship.
No, we will not interfere. Will issue notice, we are not interfering.
Your lordship, my transfer order has been issued on 22nd and it has been cancelled on the very next day, your
It's all right, it's all right.
on extraneous consideration, your
No extraneous.
because the same has been cancelled on.
Heard, Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel for the petitioner.
Even your lordship, I have not been assigned with any reason why my transfer order is being cancelled, your lordship.
Not necessary. That is the prerogative of the government. By filing this petition, the petitioner is impugning the order dated 23/7/2024 issued by the Deputy Commissioner Changlang District, cancelling the transfer order dated 22/7/2024. By the order dated 19/7/2024, the petitioner was transferred. The petitioner who is serving as
UDC.
UDC
Yes, your lordship.
in the office of the Deputy Commissioner Changlang
Yes, your lordship.
was transferred from DC's office Changlang to DMO's office Changlang. And the respondent number 5 was transferred from DMO's office Changlang to DC's office Changlang. Pursuant to the order dated 19/7/2024, the petitioner was released from DC's office Changlang for joining DMO's office Changlang. Stop. The petitioner accordingly submitted the joining report dated 23/7/2024 to DMO Changlang. Stop. DMO Changlang by the letter dated 23/7/2024 wrote to the Deputy Commissioner Changlang stating that the transfer of the petitioner has not been accepted. The petitioner thereafter submitted the representation dated 25/7/2024 to the Deputy Commissioner Changlang stating non-acceptance of the petitioner's joining report by the District Medical Officer Changlang. The Deputy Commissioner, however, issued the impugn order dated 23/7/2024, cancelling the order dated 22/7/2024, by which the petitioner was transferred from DC's office Changlang to DMO's office Changlang. The DC's office Changlang has thereafter issued the letter dated 5/8/2024 asking the petitioner to join back the Deputy Commissioner's office Changlang. Stop. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks. Mr. Yes,
Well, I'm for respondent number 3, man.
respondent number,
3, madam. DMO.
ma'am, you're for respondent number
1, 2, and 4.
1, 2, and 4. MS Renzo, the Leonard Government Advocate, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, and 4. And Mr. Renzo, Leonard Standing Counsel, correct?
Yes, health
Ma-
department.
Medical Department,
Yes, my health department.
Health Department accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 3. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued to the respondent number 1 to 4. The Leonard Counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the Leonard Government Advocate as well as the Leonard Standing Counsel within
Within 1 week.
a period of 7 days from today. Insofar as respondent number 5 is concerned, the Leonard Counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondents by registered post with AD within a period of 7 days. Okay.
My please, Lordship, my lord, this is the same tender matters, my lord. In this, we are only, at this moment, we are seeking only for issuing a notice, my lord. The Lordship will find the tender is page 30, Lordship. Is the tender, my lord, and we are challenging the, my lord, impugn technical, opening of technical writ, Lordship. That is at page 116. Lordship will see the relevant is page 117, Lordship. The last, that one. The last 6 months, serial number 6, evaluation bid. Here, my name is serial number 4. IO Enterprise, Lordship, non-responsive. The reasons attracts clause 4.4 capital B small b I, 4.4 capital B small b Roman 2 small Roman 2, and 4.71. Your Lordship is already seen 4.4b malad that specifies the machineries malad availability. 4.4b malad technical manpower, which we have uploaded in the page 119 malad. And 4.7 is for misleading statement. But the respondent authorities have failed to specify what kind of misleading statement has been made in the tender documents. Nothing has been shown, simply the clauses have been quoted. Page 119, Mala, the bid which I have uploaded is the affidavit showing that I have
Okay, we issue notice for
Yes,
the,
Mala.
for today. We issue notice.
Yes, Mala, we are not pressing as for interim as of now. On merit, here we are not seeking that your lordship may directly the respondent authorities to award the contract work. We are simply seeking that our bid should also be considered and let the authority decide in the price bid. That's the only prayer we are making.
Price bid already open on 19th.
Price bid?
Open on 19th.
We have annexed that one also. Yes.
It's in the annex.
Page 176, last page, lordship. This is manual, it's e-tendering, it should have been uploaded in the website. I don't know whether it has been uploaded or not.
Where is the financial bid?
Page 176, lordship.
You have not impugned this, 176?
No, we have impugned this. Without redressing the financial bid should not have been open. Our grievances.
You produce the instructions, the records.
That way notice may issue will reply his allegation.
In the meantime, we direct not to issue any work order.
But otherwise, record from the petition itself, it indicate there. The
That is
ground
why
which-
we are just, we will give you 1 week's time. You produce the instructions and the records.
records.
Because contractual matters, it is not necessary for you to file affidavit. If the records are there and if the records are clear.
Then next. 1 week is not, Monday will submit.
Monday.
Monday. Coming next Monday.
In the meantime, don't issue work order. My lord, let us at least see whether he is eligible to participate in the technical bit.
My lord,
Yes, that has to be examined, but because that is the main issue.
I have no answer whether work whether is issue or not, since financial bid open on 19. Now it might have already issued.
As per my instruction, it has not been issued.
Work order.
Yes,
We say work order should not be issued if not issued.
If
yes,
not issued.
yes.
Till Monday.
Yes.
Till Monday, till
Yes.
Monday. Because this work and all this, I think this is in the public interest, so we should not delay.
Yes.
It is not right for the court also to actually stay all this public welfare projects. Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Since the petitioner relates to a word of statutory contracts. Mr. A good name?
Ji Tarak.
G. Tara.
Tarak.
Your face is very old, but your name is very new to me. Standing counsel.
Yes, RWD.
Standing counsel, RWD.
RWD.
So learn standing counsel, RWD. Shall obtain necessary instructions as well as produce the records. Pertaining to the NIT dated 3/7/2024, which is for the construction of the road under Vibrant Village Program within VVP, namely L026 Sario to
Saryataka.
Saryataka. On, give a date,
Second,
on
9.
2/9/2024. Till then, the respondents shall not issue the work order for the construction of L02 Sario to Saryatakham. White package number AR0301058. Till the next returnable date, if not issued.
Malad, they take steps, Malad, I have to serve.
Let them produce the records. Let us see.
Private respondents, Malad, I'll just serve
Cabinet.
justice service, Malad. Otherwise, they may say, we have not received the copy, Malad.
Cabinet.
Okay, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number. Upon the respondent number, your respondent number, for respondent number.
Not required, Malad, if he is representing. No.
If I have already filed cabinet.
Oh. Then it's not required.
Not required.
Yes.
Stop.
Yes.
Cabinet stands discharged.
Obliged.
Yes. You are coming with the same petition.
This package already there is a writ petition 344 among the tenderers.
There is a stay in this.
No, if the financial bid is not open, then in that case there was a stay. It will be listed tomorrow, I think. 344. Now he is coming after opening of the financial bid, stating that this is my land.
Mr. Titi,
My land.
we fix this case with that case.
Yes.
I think that will be more appropriate.
That will be appropriate, my lord. Only my simple grievance is.
Yes.
If the guidelines says that you should do in that particular manner, because the guidelines you are doing everything. So there is a mandate under Article 300A, my lord. You cannot take the land of somebody forcibly. Here, my lord, we are, even my lord, may fix this matter some other day. I'll argue on the merit, my lord. Only kindly make an observation that let them take up the project also. We will not oppose to that. You construct the work, but you should implement the project in accordance with the provisions of PMGSY scheme. My lord, kindly issue that much of.
No, I think previously also we have issued that direction.
To dispose of the representation.
To
Yes.
dispose of the
Same,
representation.
same automatic.
No, here, my lord, what
You-
what I finally, after laying down my hands on the brief with the guidelines, then I realizes that other day also I made a slight error. So here.
You were too hasty.
Due to hasty, my lord, too much of brief due to. So therefore, my lord, in this case, the guidelines particularly says that you must do a thing in a particular manner, and because the guidelines you are doing everything. So therefore, my lord, we will not oppose the construction of the road.
You should not.
We will not oppose, but my lord will only issue notice with an observation. Let them continue with the work, but strictly in accordance with the PMGSY guideline. Because under Article 300A, you cannot dispossess the property. That's why, my lord, series of my land, series of LPCs are there in this case, my lord. Series of LPCs. And you have not taken permission at the, on the misleading guidance by certain individuals.
Mr. Tara,
My lord.
what I understand is that your prayer in this writ petition is completely different to the contract.
Correct.
Because if actually
Correct.
the respondent authorities, if they have taken over your land illegally, you are entitled to compensation.
That is what my
Since you are not objecting to the project, since you are not objecting to the project, the only alternative left is for you to claim compensation if it is found that your land has been illegally taken over by the government.
My lord, I have paid the revenue by taking LPC.
But that's what I'm saying.
That is
That's
the
what I'm
concern,
saying.
my lord.
On your submission, on the basis of your submission, I am also making this observation.
Correct, correct. My lord is very right. My lord is very right in this. My lord, kindly issue notice. I'll argue on merit.
Okay.
Because I don't want the government to
Okay.
do this way. Only with a small observation, my lord.
Yes, we will.
Yes.
Since you will be arguing on merit,
Merit.
we will not be giving that observation to execute the work strictly in terms of the guidelines. I think that observation will not be necessary because you are actually asking this court for notice. So I think that may not be proper.
No, my lord, that's why.
So we issue notice, and if you want to argue on merit, we let you.
Then, my lord, alternative request, my lord, subject to outcome of the writ petition. Let them do this.
No, my lord,
Because see, my lord,
Say, Mr.
my lord.
If you are successful with this petition, ultimately you have the remedy to claim compensation.
My lord,
See, if what you are saying is right, and if what you are saying is correct, that your land has been taken over by the government without your consent,
correct.
without your approval, then you can actually always go for compensation.
My lord,
Because your submission is that you are not obstructing the project. See, you are not obstructing the project.
correct. My lord, my younger got some instruction that let this writ petition be listed along with 344 tomorrow.
Okay. Tomorrow also same, we are not going to, we will just issue notice. Because tomorrow maybe it will be difficult for this court to dispose any case.
Then, my lord, only issue notice the any construction activities shall be subject to the outcome of this writ
No.
petition.
No, because you have not implemented the main parties also. You have not implemented the contract bidders also.
We have made it.
You have not
No,
implemented.
we have made them parties.
Executive. No, no,
Yes, yes, my lord, we have made it.
no.
You have not implemented.
No, my lord, Gange
Bidders are-
Rao.
bidders are not there.
Bidders, you have not implemented the successful bidders who have been awarded the contract work. So in their absence, no order can be passed.
My only limited argument in this case is as to how this one Gange Rao, the GB, has given the NOC on the basis of which they have
That is there, that is there.
they therefore, my lord.
That is there, that is,
You can always.
that is in regard to Gange Raro.
Yes.
He is the GB,
He is
Yes,
the
but
culprit.
he is not the successful bidder. Yes.
He is the culprit here.
No.
Who has given that false clearance and then agreement was there. Proud BCS everything, my lord.
So if you say that he is the culprit, then he will have to face the music.
Correct, my lord.
My lord, same cause of action, there was writ petition and it was withdrawn. Now the petitioner come after the tender process is over.
He is,
He is
Mr. Tara is making a
interested
submission
party
that
because.
actually on the other day, he
Yeah.
was a little hasty.
No, my brother Tara, my lord, he is a thorough gentleman. I have seen him.
I
And always kind to the litigants, my lord. But sometimes, you know, he
Okay,
deviates
Mr.
from
Tara.
his submissions.
We issue notice, okay?
Yes.
We issue notice and then we fix a date for hearing if you are still insisting on that.
Hmm.
Okay,
That fix, sir. 25.
heard Mr. T.T. Tara. Learned counsel for the petition.
The calendar clearly. It is all good.
By filing this writ petition, the petitioner
He's
has
private
impugned
responsibility. What's the date?
the NIT dated
Hmm?
5/7/2024,
September.
issued by the government of Arunachal Pradesh, Office of the Executive Engineer / DPIU, Chayang Tajo Division / District is coming, which is for construction of the work under the Vibrant Village Program, namely L027 dash road from Kremapau Road to Raro. It is the case of the petitioner that they are the landowners and they are likely to be adversely impacted by the construction of the road, which is mentioned in the NIT dated 5/7/2024.
Correct, correct.
It is further the case of the petitioner that the NIT was issued in violation, which is, where is your
In violation of this.
PMGSY?
PMGSY guideline 6.12, my lord.
No. Where is that page?
Page, my lord, 50
In violation
of
page
50.
in violation of
PMGSY guideline.
the PMGSY guidelines. The page 50,
Page 56.12,
56, just wait.
50. Annexure 6.
PMGC,
Oh.
PMGC. No, where is your PMGC guidelines?
Guidelines, my lord, it starts from page 43.
Just wait,
Annexure 6.
43, it should be 43.
43 and operating
Yes, PM
page 50. Applicable
it's
provision. is
violation
page-
of the PMGC schemes and guidelines. More particularly,
6.13.
6/12 and 6/13 of the said guidelines. Stop. Issue notice to the respondents returnable after 4 weeks.
My lord,
Mr. You're L for me,
no, Gita.
Mr. G Tara.
He's younger than me, my lord. He looks so very old.
The Learned Standing Council, RWD, correct?
Yes, RWD.
Accepts notice on behalf of the respondent number 1
2, 4.
to 4. And who is for 5?
My private respondent,
Okay,
I'll take
respondent
Dusty.
number 1 to 4. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued to the said respondents. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned standing counsel within a period of
3 days from today.
3 days from today. Stop. Insofar as respondent number 5 is concerned, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondent by registered post with AD within a period of,
Dusty, I'll take Dusty.
as well as by dusty process within a period of
So, every 3 days, 3 days.
3 days from today. Okay.
My lord, kindly fix it on 25 because from 5th to
We have given 4 weeks.
because I will be out of country from 5th to till 22nd.
He will return by the time.
4 weeks. You will be out for 4 weeks?
Yes.
Yes, it's more than
4 weeks, complete.
completely. That's 25, that's why I'm praying.
Okay, listed
25th, 25th September.
Issue notice returnable on 25/9/2024. Okay,
By September.
okay.
My lord,
Yes,
this is my lord, I'm challenging the transfer order, my lord. My lord, the fact of the case is, my lord, the petitioner, my lord,
where is the transfer order?
my lord, transfer orders at, my lord, see at page 40, my lord,
Page?
page 40, my lord. Based on page 39, my lord. You are not that at page 39, my lord, and transfer impugn order is page 40, my lord.
Page 40.
Yes, my lord.
Transferred. The transfer and posting series and so. To Kurung Gumei district. Korolong.
Yes, call it in.
Against the vacant post with immediate effect. You are now project director, come DPDO Tirap district, Konsa.
Yes, ma'am. Project director, RT DPDO. This
What is
District-
DPDO?
District Panchayat Development Officer, madam.
District Development.
And also member secretary of the Zilla Parishad, Tirap Zilla Parishad, madam. My lord, my lord,
You are from Arunachal Public Service.
Yes, my lord. I'm an administrative cadre, my lord,
Yes.
and I've been taken on deputation.
You are actually sent on deputation.
Yes, served on deputation for 3 years, my lord. 3 years, my lord. Recently,
Where is the deputation?
deputation it at page 23, my lord. Government approval, my lord. Page 23, my lord.
There must be an order.
Yes, my lord. This
Where is that
order,
order?
this convey, the order is, my lord. The formal order is issued by the Deputy Commissioner at page 26, my lord, pursuant to the government approval. Page 26, my lord. Government approval, page 23, and the formal order is page 26, my lord.
Okay. Prior to your deputation, you were serving as a Pinckup EAC.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
Pinckup EAC.
Madam Pickups, my name, my lord. I was serving as
Pinckup, yes.
EAC, my lord.
Capital Itanagar.
Yes, my lord.
What is the ground taken by you?
My
As to
my
why you-
ground is, my lord. This is Malafide and Malafide based on the note sheet, my lord. My
Pardon?
lord, the it's Mala on the ground of Malafide, my lord.
Ah.
For my lord, I additionally,
Show me with the materials. Just show me with the materials. Why Malafide?
my lord will see.
And what is all this order passed by this civil judge?
Yes, my lord. That's
What is
my
all
lord, I'll
this?
just highlight, my lord. My lord, the first one, page 28, my lord. This their motion of no confidence was initiated against sitting ZPC of Tirap Jila Parishad, my lord. My lord, in the Tirap Jila Parishad, there is 10 ZPM in the Tirap Jila Parishad. Out of 10 Jila Parishad, my lord, 8 are from the BJP, my lord, Bharatiya Janata Party, and 2 are from the INC. Now, the post reserved for Jila Parishad chairperson is a woman, my lord. The government notified. Now, on, my lord, 4th April 2024, since in addition to the deputy director, the project director, I'm also assigned as a member secretary of the Tirap Jila Parishad, my lord. Then, my lord, the motion of no confidence was initiated on 4th April 2023, my lord, at page 28 by the 7-member, my lord, including 1 INC ZPM, my lord, against sitting Jila, my lord, sitting chairperson, Jila chairperson. My lord, basing on this, after having taken obtaining law weighting and with the approval of the competent authority, page 30, my lord, I issued a notice for motion of no confidence against sitting Jila, my lord. At page 30, my lord, see, this is my notice issued to the Jila Parishad chairperson, my lord, sitting Jila chairperson. Now, after issuance of this, my lord, at page 31, my lord, page 30, my lord, it is fixed for this floor test is scheduled to be held on 7th August 2024, my lord. And after issuance of this, my lord, the 3-line whip, my lord, at page 31, it was issued by the district BJP president, my lord, Tirap. Then, as per, my lord, motion no confidence notice dated 31 July 2024, my lord, on appointed day, that is on 7th August it was initiated before initiating the proceeding, my lord. At page 32, my lord, this letter was submitted by the sitting Zilla chairperson, my lord, stating that there was an expulsion order issued by the party president, and that has been stayed by they have challenged the expulsion order before the civil judge, junior division, Consa, my lord, and that has been stayed, my lord. That has been, my lord, at the order, my lord.
This civil judge junior division,
Yes, my lord.
this is state which order?
My lord, expulsion order. Expulsion order.
Where is
of
that
the-
expulsion order?
My lord, expulsion order is not where. This is the party matter. My lord, page 33, my lord, will see order and relevant paragraph, relevant page.
No, just clarify. This page 33 has stated the expulsion order,
Yes, my lord.
correct? So where is that expulsion order?
My lord,
Where is that expulsion order? Just for my knowledge.
my lord, the expulsion order is not here, my lord, because it is because that is private issue, my lord. That is not with us, my lord. It's
Who
not
has
with us.
passed that expulsion order?
Expulsion by the party, my lord.
By the party. So
Yes.
that was challenged in this.
Yes, my
civil
lord.
case.
And the civil judge junior division had stayed the expulsion order of sitting Zilla chairperson, my lord.
Yes, wait.
Page 33, start, my lord.
Where it stays, where
And
it
at
stays.
page 34, my lord, second last paragraph, my lord, operating, my lord.
Accordingly, the order of expulsion.
Yes, my lord. Shown show and action taken report shown show, my lord, are state. It is directed that opposite party shall not take any further step to remove the petitioner from post of chairperson between Zilla Parishad Tirap on the basis of the above expulsion order till further order, my lord. The matter is pending, my lord. So then, my lord, after this, my lord, issuance, my lord, there was surmounting pressure from the private respondent, my lord. MLAs, my lord. I have categorically stated my para 12 and 13 of my petition, my lord. There was surmounting pressure from the private respondent, pressurizing the petitioner to remove the sitting Zilla
Any
Parishad.
materials to support that contention?
My lord,
Any
my lord,
materials?
my lord is at page 39, my lord.
Page 37,
39, my lord,
39.
yes.
Immediate transfer of PD Consa.
But
The following undersigned members of the Tirap district are informed. The following undersigned members.
my lord,
Just wait, just. The members of the Tirap district Arunachal Pradesh are informed that the present video has been very biased. So what is the connection between the order passed by the civil judge and the PD?
my lord, that is why, my lord, that is, there was I stated in my para 12 and 13 of my petition, despite of this order, my lord, despite of the stay order passed by the trial court, my lord, there was surmounting pressure from the private respondent not to honor the stay order and remove the sitting ZPC by hook or crook, my lord. Although my role as a member secretary is limited, my lord, I cannot do beyond the rule, my lord. Now, rule says that, my lord, that there's a rules for impeaching or removing the person by way of motion, chairperson, my lord. Under section 763 of the Panchayat Raji Act, my lord, the first motion has to be initiated by 1/3 at least. And if motion is supported by 2/3 majority, then only it can be removed, my lord. But in the present case, when motion was conducted, my lord, out of 10 ZPM, 6 has voted in favor of the sitting Zilla, my lord. My lord will see at it starts from page 35, my lord, minute of the proceeding.
We are, Mr. Counsel, we are not concerned about the election. We are just trying to ascertain whether there was any malafide in transferring.
My lord, at page 10 of my 9 of my writ petition, my lord, paragraph 12 and 13, my lord, page 9, my lord, paragraph 12. My lord, 7 line from top, my lord. It is pertinent to mention that after issuing aforesaid 3-line whip, there was surmounting pressure upon the petitioner
from so and so, this is private respondent, and their worker to remove sitting ZPC so and so from the post by any means. And Sri so and so on 6 August 2024 had called the petitioner 4 times over phone, pressurizing the petitioner for removing sitting ZPC by hook or crook, and make Srimati so and so INC as the new ZPC of Tirap Zilla Parishad by any manner. Para 13, my lord. On appointed day of motion of no confidence on dated so and so, sitting ZPC so and so has submitted a letter dated enclosing stay order dated so and so, passed by landed so and so, my lord, so and so, wherein expulsion order issued against sitting Zilla Parishad so has been stayed, and further directed not to take any further to stop the to step to remove the sitting ZPC from the post of chairperson on the basis of expulsion order. And on the same day, Sri Shonsho Wang Shonsho, this is a private respondent, had called the petitioner over phone and reminded him for considering his command made on 6 August 2024, my lord. That even on day of motion, my lord, before starting there was a constant pressure, para 14, my lord, constant pressure from above mentioned minister and MLC to remove sitting ZPC from the post of Zilla Parishad by any means, and even directed not to comply the stay order dated 0506 granted by the Civil Judge Junior Division Consa. However, despite of such constant pressure and threatening issued by the above mentioned minister MLA, the petitioner being the member secretary of Zilla Parishad had conducted no motion confidence against Zilla Parishad, namely so strictly in accordance with law.
We are issuing notice, we are staying.
My lord, may I, my lord?
We are staying.
My lord, may I? My lord, may I please come to page 21, my lord, of the writ petition, my lord.
21.
Yes, my lord.
Huh.
I, Sri so and so, village of so and so, POPS Kolding, district Kurumkume, my lord. Now on page 40, my lord.
Page?
40,
Hmm.
the impugn order. Now he has been transferred to his home district, my lord. Page 40, 40.
Ah.
The governor of Anazabala is pleased to order transfer and posting of Sri Nagam so and so to Kurumkume district, my lord. He has been transferred to his home district.
Hmm.
So first, this is our contention, my lord. Because my lord, what right has been violated? This is a transfer posting case, my lord. No right of the petitioner has been violated. Actually, my lord, it is good for him, my lord. He has been transferred to his home district, my lord.
He may not like it.
My lord, and page 43, my lord, may I please come to page 43, my lord. The other PD will
If he
edit
is
the case, my lord.
happy, why, if he is happy for transferring to his hometown,
Yes, my lord.
why should he come up with this petition? Maybe there's something
He
wrong.
must have some interest, my lord. My lord, page 43, my lord. May I, my lord?
Yes.
In pursuance of the government order so and so, that is so and so, Tirap district, so and so, hereby stands released consequent upon his joining from his earned leave. For all the charges of the PDRD so and so, including so and so, shall be taken over by Sri Tana Bapu, my lord. So, my lord, this Tana Bapu is not a party here.
My lord, I'll tell that part, I'll clarify. Page 41, my lord, he was given in charge, my lord, on my.
Well, if this order is, my lord, this page 43 is also challenged, my lord. Now, my lord, this Tana Bapu is a necessary party, my lord. He is in charge now as a PD Khonsa, my lord.
My lord will see page 41, man. I am in earned leave, my lord. During my earned leave, he is only in charge, my lord, by this page 41.
Have you been released?
My lord.
Have you been
No,
released?
my lord. My lord will see, it will clear from the page 41, my lord. Page
43 is
41,
clear.
page 41, my earned leave, the granted by the deputy commissioner and the communicated to director Panchayat Raj, my lord. At page 41, my lord. And this my earned leave till 1st September, my lord.
Yes, mister. You
Yes,
get
my lord,
instruction.
page 43, my lord. Stands
get
released, my lord. May I read again, my lord? Page 43, my lord. May I again, my lord? In pursuance of the government order number so and so dated 28 2024, Sri Nangram Pinga PDRD DPDO Tirap district hereby stands released, my lord. This is on 23 August.
He's joining. I have not yet joined from earned leave, my lord. Consequent upon his joining from his earned leave, my lord.
For all the charges of the PD so and so, including charges of DDO sale taken
Mr.
over by.
So-and-so. Learned counsel for the petitioner.
my lord, page 39, I would like to clarify, my lord. Page 39, my lord, this.
You get instructions and come.
You or not, my lord. Mohammed Masood, my lord, has been, my lord, clear, my lord, but clear, my lord. The concerned minister or MLA can recommend, my lord, for transfer of the.
They can recommend. This court is well conversant.
Yes, sir.
Being the public leaders,
Yes, my lord.
they can recommend,
Yes, my lord.
but it should not be on external grounds. They can recommend
Yes, my lord.
for the welfare of the people, for the welfare of the public of that area.
Yes, ma'am.
But just because the petitioner has obeyed the order passed by the civil judge,
My lord.
I think that should
No,
not be a
civil
ground.
judge has only stated the expulsion order, not the proceeding, my lord, initiated by the PD, my lord, as a member secretary, my lord.
Member secretary, I have no power to remove, my lord, unless
That
it
proceeding is
fulfill the-
on, my lord. It is being continued, it would be continued by the next PD, my lord. How his service is affected, but he has been transferred from the PD Khonsa to PD Kurungume, my lord. My lord, may I pray, my lord, notice may be only issued, my lord. How his service right has been affected, my lord, that has to be seen, my lord.
My lord, in Sumesh Tiwari, it has been clear, my lord, it is a malice in
No.
law, it is malice in fact.
It is not how his right has been affected.
Right.
It is whether there was any malafide action on the part of the respondents. It is whether actually the transfer was a
Therefore-
violation of the statutory.
My lord,
rules.
therefore, Mohammed Masood, my lord.
Okay, you get instructions, issue notice.
No, sir.
Had Mr. Sansol by filing this petition, Umar, the petitioner has impugned the order dated 28/2024. Issued by the secretary within bracket RD, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Eternal. It is the case of the petitioner that the impugned transfer order was passed. As the petitioner had complied with the order dated 5/6/2024, passed by the Civil Judge Junior Division Khonsa, Tirap District, in Miss Case within Brigade J 1/2024. By which the Leonard Court had directed not to take any steps to remove the incumbent chairman from the post of chairmanship, 15 Zilla Parishad, Tirap. Correct?
Yes, madam.
Stop. The petitioner has made amendments to this effect in paragraph 12 and 13,
And 14, my lord.
13 and 14 of the writ petition. Stop. This court has also seen the UO number. This is the UO.
Yes, you are, my lord.
UO number PD slash KSA dash 08 slash 24. Which has been written by the respondent number 4, 5, and 6, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
To the
Chief Minister, my lord.
To the Honorable Chief
Chief
Minister, Arunachal Pradesh. The UO states, the UO written by the respondent number 4, 5, and 6 states that the present petitioner has been very biased in conducting the recently held no confidence move against ZPC Konsa, who was expelled from the BJP party due to anti-party's activities during the last election. It is, however, not discernible that the request to remove the petitioner was made for the welfare and in the interest of the public of that area. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks. Mr. Your good name?
B. Picha.
You're accepting notice on behalf of
1, 2.
Mr. D. Picha?
B. Picha, yeah. Yes,
B-
Standing Council RD. Yes.
Okay, B. Picha. The Learned Standing Council RD accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2 and MS so Learned Government Advocate accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 3. 3, correct? Three. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued to the said respondents. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the Learned Counsel for the said respondents within
3 days, ma'am.
3 days from today. Insofar as respondent number 4, 5, and 6 are concerned, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondents by a registered post with AD within a period of
Within 4 days, ma'am.
within a period of 4 days from today. In the interim, considering the submissions made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner and the materials available on record, this court stays the order dated 28/2024 issued by the Secretary within bracket RD, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, transferring the petitioner as Project Director within bracket RD dash CAM dash DPDO Tirap District to Kuring Kume District, Koloirang, till the next returnable date. Okay.
My lord, my objection may be recorded, my lord.
The Mr. Senso? Has vehemently objected
Yes, ma'am.
to the prayer for granting of interim relief to the petitioner. Okay.
Deeply objected. Obliged.
May I praise Lord.
Hmm.
My lord, the petitioner is assigning the legality of NIT dated 9th August 2024, issued by the Executive Engineer, Capital Division, PWD. My lord, the Interim NIT is page 26, my lord. Page 26, Annex 3, my lord. By this NIT, my lord, online bids has been invited from the registered contractor. Register is class 1AA category for the construction of Cancer Institute at Itanagar. May I read the NIT? The Executive Engineer Capital Division APW invites on behalf of Governor of Arunachal Pradesh invites online tender bid in APC or TACP mode in two bid system from registered contractor in the category of class 1AA, APPWD, or of equivalent class or categories of building or capacity as per APST contractors enlisted in APPWD and contractors eligible for national and international competitive bidding as per the Arunachal Pradesh District-Based Entrepreneurs and Professionals Initiative Developments and Promotional Act 2015, published by notifications and number such and such, data such and such, with up-to-date amendments notified time to time and in accordance with amendment to the Arunachal Pradesh enlistment.
Whether after this technical bid has been opened?
No, my lord. Technical bid has to be opened tomorrow, my lord. It will be open tomorrow, my lord.
Oh, it will open tomorrow.
Yes, my lord. My lord, if I may come down, my lord, there is, my lord, 6 columns, my lord. My lord, may kindly look column number 4, my lord. Estimated cost put to tender. My lord, the estimated cost put to tender is rupees 214.52 crore, my lord. And this, my lord, estimated cost put to tender has been, my lord, segregated into 2 parts, my lord. That is, first part, building part A, 95.39 such crore, and my lord, equipment part B, 119.127 such and such crore, my lord. My lord, this building A part is with regard to, my lord, in regard to civil works. That means for construction of building, my lord. The petitioner, my lord, has no grievance, my lord, in respect of building part A, my lord. But petitioner is having grievances in regard to equipment part B, my lord. This equipment means, my lord, the medical equipment, my lord, which is required for, my lord, establishment of Cancer Institute, my lord. The primary ground, my lord, under which, my lord, this NIT has been
This
challenged.
equipment part B. You
Yes,
are
my-
concerned with this equipment part B.
Yes, my lord. This
What is your concern?
My lord, this equipment part B is regarding, my lord, medical equipments, my lord. Medical equipments, my lord, which is required for establishment of Cancer Institute, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Therefore, my lord.
So why you are concerned about this equipment?
Yes, my lord. Now, my lord, petitioner, my lord. Petitioner is a, my lord, registered government supplier of this medicine equipments or, my lord, medical articles. My lord, is page 25. He is a, my lord, registered supplier of this equipments, medical equipments, my lord, medicine and articles, my lord. Registered with, my lord, Director of Health Service, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, my lord. By this, therefore, my lord, by this inform NIT, my lord.
Yes, sweet.
If,
Yes.
my lord,
Yes,
will
wait.
again
Yes,
come up,
wait.
my lord.
Yes, wait.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Okay,
May I?
this is a page, kindly come to page 25.
Is 25, yes. ma'am.
Yes. So is hereby approved as the government registered firm for supply of medicines,
Medicine,
material supply articles and medical machinery equipment subject to fulfillment of all the laid down criteria and the required formalities.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you mean to say is that
Yes, ma'am.
for this Part B equipment,
Yes, my lord.
only the firm like the petitioner is
Yes, ma'am.
eligible to supply.
Supply, my lord. And my lord, in this MPU and IT, my lord, we have not been given, my lord, opportunity to participate.
What is your right?
My lord, since my lord, I am a registered supplier. My lord, as for this, my lord,
There may be other registered supplier of medicines also. There
No,
may
my
be
lord.
others.
my lord, this class AA contractors registered with the FPPWD, my lord. If we go up, my lord, they are, my lord, contractor dealings with construction works, my lord, building and construction.
There's
work,
class 1AA.
AA, registered with APPWD means Arunachal Public Works
Class
Department.
AA contractors. This contractors, class 1AA
AA
contractors,
contractors,
they are registered with
registered with Arunachal Pradesh Public Work Department. They are dealing with, my lord, construction and building works, my lord.
Arunachal Public Works Department.
Arunachal Pradesh Public Work Department.
And they are engaged in construction works.
Yes, they are engaged in the construction works. Yes, my lord. May I proceed, my lord?
So your case is that this equipment Part B cannot be given to a contractor who is an IAA registered with the APPW.
My lord, it should be, my lord, this procurement of this equipment, my lord, it should be done under, my lord, general financial rules, my lord. And, my lord, manual for procurement of goods under, my lord, 2022, my lord. It should be done under that. That is the bone of contention of the petitioner. And since, my lord, this petitioner is a registered supplier with the, my lord, Director of Health Services, my lord, he is eligible to participate in this tender for equipment partner. But since, my lord, this registered supply has not been, my lord, included in the, my lord, in eligibility criteria.
What
NIT.
is your basis for making that submission? What is
Yes,
your
my lord.
basis?
My lord, this equipment, my lord, is, my lord, also means goods, my lord. As per Rule 143 of General Financial Rules 2000.
As per?
As per Rule 143 of General Financial Rules 2017. my lord.
Where is that?
Yes, madam. I have annexed
Where is that?
page 35.
Page?
35. My lord, this is in procurement of goods and services. my lord.
Page
35. my lord.
35. You are concerned with
Rule 143.
143.
43. my lord.
143.
Yes, my lord. Definition of goods, my lord. my lord, definition of goods are there, my lord, wherein, my lord, this equipment is also, my lord, come and include under definition of goods, my lord. May I read, my lord?
Just wait, this is general financial rules.
Yes, my lord, 2017. my lord. General Financial Rules 2017. May I read, my lord? The term goods used in this chapter includes all articles, material, commodity, livestock, furniture, fixture, raw material, spares, instruments, machinery, equipment, industrial plant, vehicles, aircraft, ships, medicines, railway, rolling stock, assemblies, sub-assemblies, accessories, a group of machinery comprising of an integrated production process or such other category of goods or intangible products like software, technology transfer, licenses, patents, or other intellectual properties purchased or otherwise acquired for use of government, but exclude books, publications, periodicals, etc. from a library. The term goods also includes works and services which are incidental or consequential to the supply of such goods, such as transportation, insurance, installation, commissioning, training, and maintenance. Why I'm, my lord, pointing to this rule, my lord? My lord, this equipment is also come under meaning and definition of, my lord, goods. My lord.
So what you meant to
Yes.
say is that
Yes, my lord.
under Rule 43,
Yes, my lord.
this, the work in Part B is not permissible to be given to the 1A contractors.
Contractors, my lord. Or, my lord, this part ought to have been, my lord, the NIT ought to have been plotted, my lord. My lord, the inviting the suppliers like petitioner and others who are eligible to participate in, my lord, this NIT for procurement of this equipment. And thereafter, my lord, if I take your lordship to page 37, my lord, this is regarding registration of suppliers. My lord, for this, my lord, procurement of these goods, my lord, the suppliers will be registered, my lord, with the, my lord, central purchase organization or to the procuring entity. My lord. Page 37, my lord. Annex 5. My lord, rule 153, 150, sorry, 150. Registration of suppliers. My lord, I will concern with Roman I, my lord. With a view to establish reliable sources for procurement of goods commonly required for government use, the central purchase organization will prepare and maintain item-wise list of eligible and capable suppliers. Such approved suppliers will be known as registered suppliers. All ministry or departments may utilize this list as and when necessary. Such registered suppliers are prima facie eligible for consideration for procurement of goods through limited tender inquiry. They are also ordinarily exempted from furnishing bid security along with their bids. A head of department, but this is important. This is covering my case, my lord. A head of department may also register suppliers of goods which are specifically required by that department or office periodically. Registration of suppliers should be done following a fair, transparent, and reasonable procedure and after giving due publicity. My lord, the petitioner is a registered supplier, registered with the Director of Health Service, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. And my lord, this Cancer Institute, my lord, is, my lord, the client department is director, my lord, director is the health department of health service, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. And this, my lord, public work department, they are executive administration. On therefore, my lord, this Director of Health Service, or I say, my lord, this my lord, Department of Health Service is a procuring entity, my lord. They are a procuring department. And since I am registered with the Department of, my lord, Health Services, my lord, I'm eligible to participate in the standard for procurement of equipment parts, my lord. And also other, those who are similarly situated, like the petitioner, they have right to participate, my lord. But by this impugn order, my lord, they have ousted us. My lord, this for the civil parts, my lord, there is no, my lord, dispute, my lord. It can be, my lord, NIT can be plotted by the Public Work Department, since he is, my lord, they are, my lord, executing department. But regarding, my lord, equipment parts, what has been done in this impugn NIT, my lord, they have, my lord, issue a common NIT. Although, my lord, segregation has been made, but NIT has been invited from registered contractor in the category of class AA, registered with APPWD, or some equivalent class of categories. As per, my lord, this district-based entrepreneur and, my lord, Entrepreneurship Act and Enlistment of Contractor Rules 2000, which is, my lord, in my humble submission, my lord, is not counsel.
Yes, Mr. Ratan.
Yes. My lord, will kindly come to the page 26 is the NIT, my lord. My lord, NIT says so and so invites
You are
online.
referring to page 26.
Yes, my lord, annexure 2.
Yes.
The executive engineer so and so invites online tender bid in EPC oblique turnkey mode. My lord, EPC oblique turnkey means everything right from design, the erection of the construction of the building and installation. Everything has to be done by one single contractor. Total, everything has to be done by the all designs, where to keep the machineries, where to place the equipments, all these things. Now, turnkey mode, my lord. Now, during the construction itself, this is a new construction, my lord, of a cancer institute, my lord. There will be requirement of the equipments to be placed while constructing the building itself. That is what I have obtained instruction, my lord. While constructing itself, the equipments have to be placed and then the construction has to be completed. It's not that after the completion of the structure, then you go and put there are so many equipments, machineries, big, this has to be done. So for this only turnkey basis, the contractor will have to do everything. One part just construction over, and then you you will not be able to place the equipments, not the machineries. That cannot be. Therefore, this turnkey basis, in one go, the contractor will deal everything right from construction and the procurement of the equipments required. Therefore, my lord, here in the condition, eligibility condition also at page 27, this how the criteria has been prescribed. If they, even if they don't have this expertise, my lord. My lord, may I read the eligibility criteria for bidders, my lord? Work experience should have satisfactorily completed the work as mentioned below during the last 7 years, ending previous day of the last date of submission of tender. 3 similar works of each of value not less than 40%, rupees 85 from 80 crore of estimate cost so and so. The first part is not that relevant. Second, one completed work costing not less than 43 crores with lift, STP, ETP, HVAC, medical gas pipeline system, E&M works and medical equipments executed in EPC trunking mode during the last 7 years ending last day of the month previous to one of in which the tenders are invited. This work can be part of eligible work at 1.1 above as a separate work. For the purpose of this clause under similar work and eligibility criteria of medical gas pipeline and medical equipment, in case the intending bidder is not in a position of having such requisite experience in their similar nature of work, then the bidder must enter into collaboration tie-up with MOUs arrangement with any others having experience in the medical gas line pipeline works and medical equipment supply works. The intending bidder can also make a separate collaboration tie-ups, MOUs, arrangement either individually or combinedly with any other having experience in so and so. But meaning thereby, they have to tie up if they don't have the experience with the experienced ones. If the petitioner is
You are registered, but do you qualify as experience?
Yes, madam. My lord, there is no institute and whatever there, my lord. But as a age
You,
policy-
you may be a registered firm, but whether you have the qualification as per the eligibility criteria.
my lord, I am not a registered one AA cab conductor. That is, I'm not saying that I'm a registered one AA conductor. I'm a registered supplier.
You are a registered supplier, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So do you fulfill this eligibility criteria for undertaking the work in part B?
Yes, ma'am.
Where have you stated in your petition that you fulfill this eligibility criteria?
My lord,
Where have you stated in your petition?
yes, my lord, I have annexed my certificate also.
No, certificate. Where have you stated? Where have you made the averments
My lord,
that you fulfill the requisite qualification?
requisite qualification, my lord.
Yes,
My pardon.
requisite qualification means eligibility criteria.
at least for the procurement part.
For the procurement part, for part B.
My lord, this Roman 3, my lord, kindly, my lord, look into this, my lord, wording of this Roman 3, my lord.
How can we examine the wording now?
Yes, my lord. My lord, they are, by this, putting this clause, my lord, they are excluding us, my lord. First, you, my lord, one AA is, one my conductor.
How will this court decide at this motion stage?
My lord, therefore, my lord, I have made out a prima facie case, my lord, for interference of this honorable court, my lord.
Well, issue notice. You place the instructions and the records. We are not giving any stay.
My lord, I've made out a prima facie case.
No. This court is still not satisfied with your submission.
My lord, then, my lord, record, my lord, my submission, my lord.
Mr. Ratan,
Yes, ma'am.
call for the records.
Right.
Place the records, the instructions within a period of 5 days from today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and then we dispose this after that.
My lord, in that, my lord, this,
No, my lord, he has not participated also. He has
no,
not
how can I
corroborated.
participate? I'm ousted from this NIT, my lord. How can I participate?
Here, there is a provision for collaboration also. He could have.
How that can be done? Please explain to this court how that can be done, my lord.
Here,
So,
The
Mr.
contractor-
We will consider your case, but in the meantime, we will ask the government to produce the instructions and the records.
My lord, kindly, my lord, I have made a prima facie case, my lord. Till then, my lord, this, my lord, the technical bid will open to that may be my statement.
my lord, already he has come after floating of the tender, after submission, last date of submission of the bids. Now it's the opening of the tender.
I have approached
Today is the opening of the tender. Today is
the
coming.
government. I have already approached the government.
Where it says that today is the opening of the tender, or
My lord,
time, date and time of
Yes,
opening of
yes,
the tender.
everything is there, my lord.
29.
29.
Tomorrow, it will.
29.
29.
My lord, I'm within time.
Yes.
There is
29.
no any delay on my part. And I have also applied
Last date
this,
of
my lord,
submission
before
is
the
also
commissioner.
over.
Pardon?
Last date of submission of the bid also is over. It was on 26, my lord. This was floated in on 9th of August, my lord. He is coming today.
I have, my lord, also approached to the commissioner, my lord, both the commissioner of health as well as to the public work department.
That's all right.
Yes.
It is only for the technical bid, for the opening of the technical bid.
Yes.
If this court finds that you have a ground, you have married, then maybe even subsequently this court may stay.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
In the meantime, we direct the additional AG to place the instructions on the records.
Yes.
Not Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Mr. R. Ratan,
N Ratan.
In
N Ratan.
I'm sorry, N. Ratan. The learned additional advocate general for the state respondents shall place the instructions and the records on the next date fixed. Listed on
Fifth.
fifth,
Fifth, man. Fifth,
5/9/2024.
yes. Always.
Okay.
My lord, till then, my lord. The technical bit, my lord. That may be a statement.
No,
My lord, otherwise, my lord,
Wait,
third party.
I have actually made an observation that if you have married subsequently, this court may even
My
stop the technical as well as the financial bit.
My lord, kindly.
But let them get record. I
My
think
lord,
tender matters.
Third party interest will be created, my lord. Kindly appreciate, my. Third party interest will be created, my.
No,
I
for
mean,
the
it
time
will-
being, this
it-
court is
it-
not inclined. For the
My
time-
lord, this matter will be must become, my lord, complex, man.
No, man.
Otherwise, my lord, I will,
There's nothing complex. You lawyers, you make the complexity.
no, no, man. Otherwise, my lord.
Yes, next.
Otherwise, my lord, otherwise, my lord, kindly, my lord. My entry may be, my lord, considered on merit, man.
Yes, next.
My lord, upon getting the liberty to file afresh, my lord, we have refiled this. My lord, this is pertaining to
What
the
is this?
contextual dental surgeon. My lord, for augmenting the health services in both allopathy, Ayush and dental also. My lord, their government of Arunachal Pradesh and also the union
Where is the advertisement? Let us see your advertisement.
advertisement in excerpt 15 at page
Page.
56, my lord. My lord, at serial number 2, my lord, middle. Total post sort is 9. Lordship may kindly come to page 56. Down below.
What is GDMO?
A General Duty Medical Officer. Within bracket, it is the departments are mentioned: dental surgeon, allopathy, homeopathy. And page 57. Last date of submission is tomorrow, 28. And the age limit is 35 years as on 29/8/2024. Now, my lord, in paragraph 17 and 18, I have categorically stated that we all have crossed the age of the maximum age limit also, my lord.
So you are all ineligible.
Yeah, we cannot apply even if it is we choose to. No, my lord, in
How
in
many
this
petitioners? How many petition? 9.
7.
And your
7.
case is that out of this 9 posts,
7 should be
the 7 should be regularized.
the 7 should be regularized, and in the meantime, in this advertisement, the recruitment process, this 7 should not be filled up.
7 posts.
7 posts. We are because my lord, government has
Yes.
evolved policies, and my lord, in
Mr. Rajan,
one of the similar.
how? You're for the
Lordship-
government?
No, Lordship, I'm for PPSC. So I'm just a recruiting agency.
Who's for the
So,
government?
It's for the government.
Yes.
My lord, as per my instruction, my lord, the petitioner which is relying, there's the policy, my lord, state policy, state health policy 2010, my lord. In fact, my lord, there's no such, it is not enforceable. It was just only vision document, my lord. This has not been implemented, my
lord. They cannot say that.
But it is instruction.
What about the earlier cases of regularization? Was it not on the basis of this policy?
Madam, an earlier occasion, madam, there was a separate policy decision for a particular, madam, for mentioning particular sanctioned madam, post, madam. That was in earlier case, it was done, madam. But in the present case, madam,
detailed manner of the record instruction I have to.
Mr. Counsel for the petitioner,
Yes, my lord.
what is disturbing the mind of this court is you want the entire post for the contractual employees.
My lord,
That
since there is.
where does the Uma Devi case goes in that?
My lord, that is another aspect. But then, my lord, here, there is a government policy, whether it is a vision statement or not, it is a policy. And there is an MOU entered, we are told that between the government of Arunachal Pradesh and the meantime, under the funding of under various schemes, like they have school helping, some schemes are also RBSK. But then with the understanding that as and when the vacancy arises on the basis of seniority, it will be filled up.
That is the policy.
Yes, that is the policy. Now,
So where is that policy? Let us see.
page 24, Malad, annexure 2. Malad. Malad, I have only extracted the relevant
policy.
portion.
Yes, government advocate. You're for the standing council, huh? Standing
Health
council.
department, madam.
Health department.
Yes, madam.
Is this policy, this 2010 policy still enforceable?
That is why, madam.
Malad, there is nothing to revoke this policy. They have not revoked this policy, and they cannot, on their own, government of Arunachal Pradesh cannot do this. It has to be by the in consultation with and in concurrence with the Union Ministry of Health. So this is the guiding principles, Malad. Though guidelines are not enforceable as such, but then the
your claim itself is against the law. Your claim itself is against the law.
Malad, there has been, on the basis of this policy, on the basis of the understanding,
If we issue a direction to regularize your contractual service, depriving the other direct recruits who are eligible for the post.
No, Malad,
is this court doing right?
This
At the most, your writ petition can be made subject to the outcome of this. Nothing more.
No, Malad, under the same advertisement, one candidate had approached this, your honorable, your lordship, and in writ petition number, Malad, I have annexed that order.
To reserve one post.
Yes, Malad.
So this court is not.
That is the petitioner is one in that case. Here
If
if
all the posts which is created,
we are similarly.
if all the posts which is created
No, these
are sought to be taken over by the contractual employees.
No, my lord.
You are discriminating, in fact.
Another aspect is, my lord, these post.
You
were not created, my lord.
You appear for the advertisement, will give you a relaxation of age.
My lord, your lordship may kindly come to page 49. These vacancies has erosion out of the vacancies due to expiry or superannuation or absorption in the trims. It is not freshly created sanctioned post. It is already the existing.
It is existing, but new recruitments are sought to be done. That's all. You cannot say that since this post actually is created because of the retirement, because of the vacancy caused by the retirement or for some reason, certain person, the contractual employees should be given a regularization in that post. That is not a case.
No, my lord, that aspect, the legality of my prayer will be subject to the final argument.
Yes.
My lord, at this instance, my lord, may I just take a lordship to page 61?
No. I think
In excess
this court will not
16.
be convinced.
And my lord,
The law is very clear. The law is against you.
even the taken out one
legally-
post from the purview of this advertisement on the basis of the interim order.
If they do something wrong, it does not mean that this court has to follow that wrong. No, I'm not in favor of giving you any.
my lord, in that case, my lord, may I pray that this may be listed on Monday, my lord. I'll try from that. If you don't, if you lost it,
You take that chance.
yes, my lord.
You take that chance. On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Listed again on.
Monday, my lord.
2/9/2024. Okay, you take that chance. You take that.
Obliged, lord.
What is this case?
My lord, this is, my lord, disqualification of the Gram Panchayat, my lord. Gram Panchayat of 8 Barming constituency, under 8 Barming constituency. There are various Panchayat, my lord. My lord,
This qualification, which is that this qualification order?
my lord, impugn order is at page 43 onward, my lord. Page 31, my lord. Page 31 to 37, my lord. My lord, my lord, altogether 47% has been disqualified by the DC matter on the ground that they have been expelled, man. Now, this impugn order, man, earlier litigation, my lord.
Where is
Said-
that observation?
My lord, this has been stayed, my lord. Earlier occasion, this same, my lord. Only out of 47, my lord, earlier some section, my lord, now 26 of the petition come up, my lord. The earlier litigation, my lord, the impugn order stayed in respect of the other petitioner.
Okay. In respect of the other petitioners.
Yes, my lord. Now, the present petition, the rest, the other petitioner, my lord, this 26 in number, my lord, has approached.
26, 27.
Yes, my lord. My lord, at
So what
page,
you mean to say is that
cover
28
of-
from 28, it has been stayed
my lord,
from 28.
my lord,
The persons appearing in the impugned order from page 28. These were the petitioners in the earlier petition.
my lord. The earlier petition, my lord, the 28 to 47, my lord.
They were the petitioners in the earlier case.
Yes, my lord. It had been stayed under the same,
Where is that order?
my lord, at page 43, my lord.
Page 43.
It start from page 47, the operating portion, my lord, the main order. The name list is 43 and 47 order, my lord.
47.
Yes, my lord.
This is 3. Yes, what is that operative portion? What is
Operating,
that having till the impugn qualification order dated 29/7. Let us see. Page 31.
31.
Yes, 29/7. Madam, we are staying on the basis of the earlier order, okay? Heard, Mr. So-and-so. Then a counsel for the petition. The present writ petition has been filed, impugning the order dated 29/7/2024, passed by the Deputy Commissioner East Coming District, SEPA within bracket AP, whereby the petitioners who are in serial number 1 to 26, serial number 1 to 27,
my lord.
1 to 27,
My lord, not one, my lord, 2 to 27, my lord.
serial number 2 to 27, has been disqualified as Panchayat members under section 3(1) of the Arunachal Pradesh Local Authorities within Brigade Prohibition of Defection, Clause Brigade Act 2003. This court has also seen the order dated 13/8/2024, passed by this court in WPC 326/2024, wherein the petitioners therein who are from serial number
28 to 47, madam.
this court is also just with this court has also seen the order dated 13/8/2024, passed by this court in WPC 326/2024, wherein the disqualification of the members who are in serial number 28 to
47, madam.
47. Of the impugned order dated 29/7/2024 has been stated. Issue notice to the respondents. Returnable after 4 weeks. MS stop so and so. Then accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
Not three, my lordship, only one and two.
Oh, I'm sorry, 1 and 2. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned government advocate within
3 days, madam.
within 3 days from today. Insofar as the respondent number 3 is concerned, learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondents by registered post with AD within a period of
4 days, madam.
within a period of 4 days from today. Interim. The order dated 29/7/2024, passed by the Deputy Commissioner East Coming District SEPA within Brigade AP, by which the petitioners have been disqualified as Panchayat members under section 3(1) of the Arunachal Pradesh Local Authorities within Brigade Prohibition of Defection, Act 2003, shall remain suspended till the next returnable date. Okay. Yes,
Yes, lordship. Lordship in item number 10, lordship, the conduct.
yes,
Lordship conducted counsel Mr. D. Majumdar. He is ready to appear from virtual mode, lordship.
item,
And lordship, we have been not informed, lordship.
it has been adjourned. Okay. You please tell the conducting counsel that it has been adjourned. Okay.
Okay,
See
lordship.
that too. Okay. May I please? Let us resume at 2. At 2.
14, just adjournment, my lord.
Pardon?
14 for adjournment only. Item 14.
Yes, what is your prayer?
I have to file affidavit. This is ready. I will file within 1 or 2 days.
Item 14.
14 years.
This is item 14. PC 362.
154.
154, yes. You are for the respondent,
State respondent.
state respondent.
Yes, RWD.
Okay, ma'am, we give them time to file affidavit. How much time?
Within 2-3 days we will file.
My lord,
Otherwise it's ready, only for swearing parties.
my lord, a fixed date may be given
Ah,
on 16th of September.
okay. Mr. Senso, your government advocate also,
The RWD, standing counsel.
the Learned Standing Council,
Yes,
RWD,
RWD.
is allowed a week's time to file affidavit in opposition, listed on 16/9/2024.
Approach.
We resume at 2.
May I please, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, this morning I mentioned this matter for adjournment, my lord. Leading counsel M. Kato is out of station. My lord, and the private respondent, he thought that the matter was passed over for a day, so he left the court premises, my lord. I called him, but
Respondent 1 and 2. Have you filed your affidavit, Mr.
No, sir. Already filed.
Hassan? You filed.
yes,
You filed your reply.
no, my lord.
You were supposed to file your reply,
Yes, my lord.
correct? You file your reply.
Okay.
I am sorry, Lordship. I am for 3 and 4, Lordship, the Deputy Commissioner, Lordship. 1 and 2. One into no. And 1 and 2, Lordship, descending council.
1 and 2.
Yes,
You
my
are for
lord.
3.
He will not file affidavit.
I'll
file
be
your
relying, yes, my lord. There is a separate affidavit is not required, my lord. I'll be relying on the affidavit.
Who
filed by
has filed the affidavit?
3 and 4, Lordship.
3 and 4, Deputy Commissioner.
Who I am representing? I'm representing.
You have filed your affidavit. What about 5? Who is 5? This private respondent?
Private respondent. Lord. It's Tony Party, Lord.
This morning he was appeared, but he thought that matter was passed.
Whether 5 has filed affidavit?
Yes, he filed his affidavit.
Okay.
Respondent number
You
5.
file your reply then, as per the last order. You have filed your reply.
No, my lord. Please
File it.
Okay, my lord.
You want to file your reply to the opposition filed by the respondent 3, 4, and 5. 3, 4, and 5.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Is allowed 2 weeks,
Okay. Totally.
2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 3, 4, and 5. Mr. You are for
For respondent.
1 and 2.
1 and 2, my lord.
standing counsel.
Yes, land
Mr.
management.
So-and-so, learned standing counsel, land management department submits that it will not be necessary for the said respondent to file affidavit, listed after 2 weeks.
DPW.
My lord, in this case, my lord, we have challenged the termination of our contract, my lord. My lord, and the basic prayer was for restraining the opposite parties from encashing the bank guarantee. However, my lord, in the meantime, bank guarantee has already been encashed. Therefore, my lord, in my respectful submission, my lord, subject to what your lordship says, there is an arbitration clause here in the contract agreement. Clause number 26.3 is an arbitration clause. So in terms of the said arbitration clause, the matter may be referred to arbitrator.
Who is for the other side?
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of M. Kato, DSGI, my lord. Is out of station, my lord.
My lord, even it will lessen their burden also, my lord.
Of course, but
It is a very innocuous prayer I am making, my lord. Page number 212, if your lordship sees, page number 212.
but I think this will require the presence of Mr. M. Kato.
Page number 112, that's 212, sorry.
212.
212.
212.
Clause 26.3, arbitration clause, subclause 1.
26 point?
26.3, subclause 1. Page number 212, 26.3, subclause 1. Any dispute which remains unsolved between the parties through the mechanism available prescribed in the agreement, irrespective of any claim value which has not been agreed upon, reached settlement by the parties, will be referred to arbitral tribunal as per the arbitration and conciliation. So in terms of this, the matter may kindly be referred to.
What is the continuation of this? What is this?
This is the contract agreement, my lord.
Which page says that?
My lord, we'll kindly come to the first page of the contract agreement, my lord. The lordship will find it at page number 79 is the table of contract agreement, table of contents.
79.
79. That is on the right hand side, your lordship will see the contract agreement. In fact, the agreement starts from page number 70. It starts from 70 is the agreement, 69 is the, my lord, the first page of the contract agreement. 69, Annexure 4.
This is agreement executed between the petitioner and
The respondents, that is.
respondent.
Respondent, it is Border Road Organization, BRO. Page number 70, my lord may see, the first party and the second party are represented. Page 70. This agreement is entered into the 7th day of May 2022 between the President of India through the Border Road Organization represented by Chief Engineer Project. The name of the contracting parties are at page number 70. The petitioner before your lordship is the second party. Harsha Construction.
Yes, I think there is an arbitration clause, but let us have the presence of Mr. M. Kato.
Subject to.
There is an arbitration clause,
Yes, madam.
but I think without the submission of the DSGI, I think it may not
I'll leave
be
it to your
proper.
lordship. My only predicament is, yes, my lord, since this matter could be, and I don't think, my lord, even his presence is required, even they will also object to this, my lord. So let it be. Tomorrow he will be there.
Tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow we can dispose it of, my lord.
Okay. Possible.
Fixing tomorrow, my lord, the date. Automatically it will come to me. I am deeply obliged, man.
Please, my lord. My lord, we have the file our affidavit, my lord. I am appearing for respondent number 6. Right.
This writ petition is regarding issuance of eviction order without issuing any prior notice, my lord, which is the mandate of section 4 of Arunachal Pradesh public premises eviction of unauthorized occupation.
Next petition.
Who's for the private respondent?
Me, my lord.
You're for the private respondent.
Yes, my lord.
And pleadings are complete, my lord.
We listed for hearing.
For admission hearing, my lord.
This 4.5 meter is required for road.
My lord, no.
This is required for road.
This road goes straight away to the resident of private respondent. And that road has been given by me, my lord. And without any, my lord, prior notice, eviction order was issued. So, my lord, as per section 4, my lord, prior notice is mandatory. 15 days notice should be given, my lord. So cause notice, my lord. So straight away eviction order was issued.
Okay, but considering that no notice was issued.
Yes, my lord.
And we quashed the impugn order.
My lord.
How will the respondent number 6 travel to his house?
There is a road, my lord. There is a road.
Numerous verification was made, my lord. Now, initially, the concerned authorities, my lord, they were of the opinion that has to be, the road has to be there. Approach road has to be 4.5 to 5 meters. But due to his encroachment, my lord, it has become so narrow during natural calamities, my lord, emergencies, my lord. It will be difficult for the heavy vehicles to come in, my lord. And in fact, my lord, at that point of time, my lord, he did not have the lane allotment document, my lord. He was not an LOT, my lord. But I had already obtained the lane allotment.
There are subsequent developments. I have been given land allotment.
Maybe this 4.5 meter is also for your interest.
My lord.
You don't you never know when natural calamity comes.
My lord, it is an admitted fact. I have given him the way, my lord, towards his resident. He has not taken any land from other, my lord. boundary shares.
That would be wrong to say, my lord.
But
Why?
my case is, my lord, simple, my lord. No prior notice was issued, my lord. Let them issue prior notice, my lord. I will give my reply, my lord. Without issuing any prior notice, my lord. How can an eviction order may be issued, my lord? Section 4, my lord, is a mandatory clause, my lord.
This 4.5 meter, are you residing here?
No, my lord.
Are you residing here?
No, my lord.
Where's the question of eviction?
It comes to my boundary, my lord.
It's all right.
Yes,
The boundary is boundary.
so he will.
This is not the place where you are staying, you are residing.
My lord. There is a resident, my lord. He has constructed a 3-story building, my lord. From that road only, my lord. Not a new road, my lord, 4.5. My lord. Existing road, from the existing road, my lord, he has constructed his 3-story building.
Okay, respondent number 6.
My lord.
You're 6.
Yes, my lord.
Suppose if this road is blocked by quashing the impugn order,
Yes.
what happens to you?
My lord, that's what I'm submitting, my lord. During the days of calamity, natural calamities, my lord, in emergencies, my lord, it will be difficult for the authorities to get in, my lord. If there is a fire accident or something like that, my lord. And then it's not me alone who is residing there, my lord. There's other people also. I think 3 or 4 families are residing in that particular place, my lord.
Okay, we'll listen for hearing.
Admission hearing, my lord.
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that hearings are completed. And therefore the matter can be listed for hearing. Listed for admission hearing after 2 weeks.
My lord. God bless.
Yes.
My lord, I have one for the record, affidavit of opposition already been filed on 21/2/2024, my lord.
Okay. 21?
2/2024.
Who has not filed the affidavit?
My lord, only one respondent.
The office note shows that affidavit not filed as directed, white order dated 22/8/2024. What is that 22/8/2024? Let us see. Where is that order? 22/8/2024. Oh. You are Mr. O. Moody.
Yes, ma'am.
You have filed. You have filed.
Yes, ma'am. In my lord, in affidavit, my lord, contempt not sought, unconditional apology from Mr. Nadu. And the order has been already.
Okay, unconditional apology, okay, this court will consider, but whether you have complied.
Yes.
Mr. Mook,
Yes, yes,
whether there's compliance.
yes. As per affidavit, page 15. Page 15, Annexure E. Dated on 1st February 2024, he has complied. As per the Honorable High
Which is
Court,
that impugn order? Let us see. Which is that impugn order passed by the court?
impugn order is 17/11/2023.
Which page? Which is that order? This is that order which is alleged to have been violated?
Yes, ma'am.
17/11/2023.
Yes.
In the
22/9/2023.
23.
22/9/2023.
No, 17/11.
This is why are you placing this order?
This is the order and alleged to be violated by the contemptor.
But the senior counsel is giving a different date.
Yeah. There are two orders, 22/9/2023.
Huh.
This is the order. And this order was violated and it was Somoto.
This 22/9/2023 was violated.
Yes.
Now, by this 1/2/2024, which order has been complied? 17.
Yes, 17.
Let us see that. Let us see that 17. Which page?
Um,
Seventeen 11.
17/11.
17/11.
Yes, para
17/11.
para 11 and para 13.
Okay, so the joining report has been accepted.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Mook, we close it?
Yes.
We close it. Heard Mr. Mook Patin, the Leonard Senior Counsel assisted by MS so-and-so for the petitioner, and Mr. Omodi.
I'm extending also of the Guwahati High Court.
You are the Guwahati High Court?
Yes. I'm appearing as a counsel of the state Guwahati High Court.
Okay. Heard Mr. Mook Patin, the Leonard Senior Counsel, appearing as the standing counsel, Guwahati High Court, Itanagar Bench, assisted by MS so-and-so, and Mr. Omodi, Leonard Counsel for the
Respondent,
contemner/respondent. The present contempt petition was filed. Alleging violation of the order dated 17/11/2023.
2023.
Correct, 17/11/2023.
23.
What is this 29/22/9/2023?
22/9/23, here the interim order was passed in WPC number 452, AP 2023. And in spite of this interim order, they have not followed. The respondent, the contempt note was not followed. And for the 17/11/2023, the contempt was drawn, suamoto.
Okay.
Now from the affidavit, which they filed, and page 15, it is seen that they have complied the entirety, and they have accepted the joining report. Then after accepting of joining report, again he has been released for his new place of posting.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Right, Mr. Sanjay, okay, you get that name? Okay. No, not the present. By the order dated 22/9/2023, passed by this court in WPC 452 AP/2023. The order dated 28/8/2023, issued by the Commissioner within bracket Education, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, transferring the petitioner in WPC, correct? 452 AP/2023 was stayed, correct?
Yes.
Till the disposal of the writ petition. This, the order dated 22/9/2023 was however not complied. And this court by the order dated 17/11/2023 initiated a suo motu contempt against the suo motu contempt proceeding against the Deputy Commissioner East Siang District, namely Tai Tago, for willful violation of the order dated 22/9/2023, passed in WPC 452/2023. Mr. C. Modi. O. Modi has filed the affidavit on behalf of the contender respondent seeking unconditional apology. In the affidavit, the order dated 1/2/2024 passed by the Deputy Commissioner, East Siang District, Pasigat, is also enclosed, wherein it has been stated that as per the order dated 22/9/2023, passed in WPC 452/2023, the joining report of Sri Jongi Yarang has been accepted on 20/11/2023. And consequent thereto, Sri Joni Yarang, DDAC Pasigat, has been released from this establishment, means from the establishment of Deputy Commissioner,
No, yeah, from Pasigat,
from,
East District.
no, from which establishment?
His establishment is DDAC Deputy Director.
From this establishment, from the establishment of Deputy Commissioner, East Siang District, Pasigat, so as to enable him to join the new place of posting at Longdeng District as DDAC Longdeng. Mr. Simudi submits that by issuing this order, the contender respondent has complied with the order passed by this court. Mr. Mukpatil, Senior Counsel and the Standing Counsel for the Guwahati High Court Itanagar Bench, also submits that the order dated 1/2/2024, passed by the contender respondent, complies to the order dated 22/9/2023, correct? Passed by this court. In view, in the light of the submissions made by the learned counsel for the parties, this contempt petition is closed. The unconditional apology tendered by the contender respondent is also accepted. Okay.
Please, your lordship. My lord, this matter is a contempt petition, my lord. It was listed last week, my lord.
Yes.
And contempt number 2 and 3 didn't appear. Contempt number 1 had appeared and filed the affidavit. But in contempt number 2 and 3, in fact, the service was completed.
Contempt one, contender 1, 2, and 3.
2 and 3, yes.
There are 3 contenders.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, now I am.
Do have
contempt number 2, my lord.
Yeah, for 2.
Yes, my lord. I have the instruction, my lord, although he's not here in the station, he's at Allahabad now. Contempt number 2.
2.
Yes, Secretary, Land Management Department.
Oh.
To attend his ailing brother. So we'll be filing our affidavit shortly, my lord.
What about the others?
Number 3, my lord. Number 3, my lord, we have served the dusty, my lord. Your lordship may see our affidavit of service. It's on a record. And in a page 6, this contempt petition was received by him on 4/6/2024.
Mr. Tapin, you have filed? One. Okay. What about, three?
3, my lord, may your lordship may please to see this one, affidavit of service. Page 6. So thing is here in this, it's almost 1 year, my lord. Almost 1 year and 5 months. The judgment and order was passed on 10/3/2023. And the contempt number 1 was supposed to verify and pay the solution and interest. The contempt number 1 has done the verification and then sent to the contempt number 2. So contempt number 2 also have not acted upon.
What is the role of the contender number 2?
Number 2, he has to approve and maybe he has to intimate the contempt number 3. Because the money has to be deposited by the contempt number 3, my lord.
So you're for 2?
Yes, my lord. My lord, money has to be deposited by the contempt number 3.
3 or
In the account of contempt number 1. 1. 2. 1. Deputy Commissioner.
But where will the money come from? From 2?
From 3. From 3, and it will be deposited in the account
No,
of
3 is only the brigadier. 3 is only a brigadier.
Yes, my lord, they are executing authority, my lord. They
Ah,
have to,
that-
they have to
That's
depose.
why
Yes,
the sanctioning authority is you.
yes, approval has to from
Ah.
number 2.
You will be the approval and the sanctioning authority.
sanctioning, my lord, it will be the Ministry of this Defense.
No, he has to approve and send to
If
the.
that is said to contempt number 2, then his duty is to approve.
But the Ministry of Defense is not a party.
Yes, my lord, that is.
No, BRO is a party, my lord.
BRO is not Ministry of Defense.
But not, this is not come under the Ministry of Defense. It's come under the Border Road Organization, my lord. The BRO is a Border Road Organization, my lord.
Unless the money is sanctioned by the concerned ministry, how will the BRO?
Yes, my lord, brigadier, my lord, he cannot sanction, he is the not authorized person.
This is contempt. Whether in the main writ petition, you had actually implemented the Ministry of Defense.
Well, usually, my lord, this there's a many matters similar to this matter, my lord. We usually the BRO is always party, and then
Where will BRO get the money? It's just as simple as that. Where will BRO get the money?
no BRO is like a NHI DSL. It is they are the executing authority.
I know.
They will forward to the concerned MORT, my lord. Not Defense Ministry of Defense. They will forward to the Ministry of MORT, my lord. And then only they will approve, my lord. But before that, my lord, in our case is that compensation has been paid, my lord. It has been paid. Only the petition where they were claiming was only solution and interest, my lord. Solution and interest. So for the solution and interest, your honorable court was pleased to direct the deputy commissioner saying that if compensation has been paid, then it has to be verified and then total amount has to be sent back to the concerned authority for the payment, my lord. Now, deputy commissioner has filed affidavit and verified that yes, the total amount of around 4 CR has been paid, and with the interest will they have included the solution and interest and then forwarded to the contempt number 2.
Deputy Commissioner has forwarded to whom?
To the contempt number 2, my lord. Secretary, my lord.
To
Now
the secretary.
Secretary, my lord. Now the secretary has to forward back to the contempt number 3, and only that process will complete, and then the contempt number 3 will deposit the money.
Unless the contender number 2 approves or sanctions the amount, from where contender number 3 will deposit that money in favor of a contender 1.
Well, contempt number 2 responsibility will be that he has to.
Okay. You file your affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
You file your affidavit, and I think we will get some clear picture on that.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. And then contempt number 3, my lord, we have completed the service, my lord.
No, contender number 3, leave it as it is now. let contender number 2 file affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Then after we get some picture, let us see. What is the step to be taken? Okay?
Yes, my lord.
You're standing counsel? Or?
Yes, my lord. But in this case, my lord, I'll be appearing on individual capacity of the contempt number 2.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Mr. So-and-so.
Well, petitioner, my lord, we don't know from where they will deposit, but our concern is that when there is direction, judicial direction is there, and they have to process and.
Judicial direction, I think it has to be practical. You cannot just say that since there is judicial order, the money has to be borne by the brigadier or by any person who is not actually supposed to sanction that money. Mr. Your good name?
D. come to.
So-and-so. Learned counsel for the respondent number 2 is allowed. How much time?
4 weeks, my lord.
4 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
It will not
Let's
take
get it
4 weeks, my lord. My lord, maybe given 2 weeks, my lord.
Yeah.
Obliged.
My lord, here I'm for the petitioner.
Ah.
We have to file rejoinder application.
To whose affidavit? Government?
Yes, yes.
Government?
Respondent 3, yes.
Respondent 3. Let me have file.
Yes.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, he is allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 3. Listed accordingly.
Much obliged.
My lord, I received the affidavit of opposition filed by the private respondent number 3, my lord. But the state has not yet filed, my lord. I may be granted 2 weeks time to file the rejoinder of the affidavit filed by the respondent number 3, my.
3.
My lord.
My lord, in the main, I have filed one IA, my lord.
IA
For,
also been
for
filed.
recalling of the interim order passed by this honorable court, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, while passing the interim order, my lord, while this matter was moved, the motion stage, the petitioner did not read out whole provision.
What is this IA for?
This is for this occasion.
For modification of the interim order. We'll file
Okay,
objection, my
so
lord.
let him file objection.
We'll file objection, my lord.
My lord, here, in fact, my lord, may hear me for 2 minutes, my lord. I will just try to demonstrate, my lord, how my friend
No,
able to obtain the interim order.
My lord.
Counsel for the petitioner wants to file objection, let him at least file that.
Then, my lord,
Let affidavit be exchanged and then I
my lord,
think.
since it's transfer method, then in that case, my lord, he may be given 1 week, my lord.
Transfer matter?
Yes, my lord.
And the government has to file the
Because
affidavit,
since
my lord.
he
That is, my
under
lord.
the protection of interim order, my lord.
My humble submission, my lord. I'm due for retirement within 5 months, my lord. So there's a provision that the person who is at the verge of retirement cannot be transferred before 1 year. Now, the only 5 months left to retirement. In that case, now in there also earlier, there's a first transfer order that has been, the posting place has been.
You're for the department?
No, my lord.
You're for the
I
department?
am for the
Private respondent.
Mr. Tapin, you're the male culprit.
My lord,
Lordship, see the guidelines.
Why don't you have that, at least that sympathy
No.
to a government employee who has been serving you for the last 35 years?
It lordship, see the lordship guidelines. Guidelines says lordship, the officer who is in the verge of transfer loss.
Retirement.
Within 1 year, he has to be transferred to headquarters.
Before 1 year,
Because so that pensionary, the documents are lordship done properly, lordship, timely lordship. And accordingly, it has been done in this case, lordship.
Yeah.
The rule says so. Our policy says lordship, within 1 year, lordship, he has to be transferred. to
You have filed your affidavit?
No.
Okay, then
lord,
let him file your at least his objection. At least.
my lord, may just clear this guideline for this transfer and posting, my lord. He has also relied on that policy, my lord. And I am also relying on that policy. my
Okay, let him file objection at least. Let him file objection. This is coming up for the first time.
Yes, my lord.
No, not coming up for the first
My
time.
lord,
This IA has come up for first time, my lord.
No.
Yeah, eviction.
There is 22/8/2024 order. Mr.
T. Tagum, my lord. Tabat Tagum.
T. Tagum,
Yes, my lord. No, Tabat Tagum for petitioner.
the learned counsel for the you are the opposite party,
My lord,
petitioner.
in IA, my lord, opposite party.
Learned
Yeah.
counsel for the opposite party / petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
He is allowed 1 week time
My lord.
or 2 weeks.
2 weeks, man. 2 weeks, man.
My lord, my can be allowed in this, only 1 week, my lord. This is transfer matter, my lord.
My lord, main counter petition filed by the state, my lord.
Okay, is allowed 1 week's time to file objection to the application seeking for vacation of the interim order dated 2/8/2024. Listed accordingly.
Deeply applied. My lord, interim order passed earlier, may
Yes,
continue.
the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next.
Deeply applied.
Yes. We give you time, but we'll let the interim continue. However, no final result shall be published without leave of this court and without prejudice to the right of the petitioner may also participate in such selection process. Respondent number. For the university. They file your affidavit.
Copy has been duly served to the registered post. But since he has ended, I'm ready to serve it in to the council officer.
You kindly contact the respondents as to whether they have received the notice. But yes. Yes. Have you taken steps?
Yes.
Have you taken steps?
Yes, Your Lordship, I have taken steps.
Kindly inquire from the respondent number 2 and 3. Because as per the office note also, petitioner has taken steps.
My lord, they have served one order.
One
order from this court.
Order?
Yes.
Not the petitions?
No. That too a Xerox copy.
Pardon?
Xerox copy.
Of the order?
Yes.
No petition?
No.
Your Lordship, while taking the steps to the registry, they used to take the entire petition along with the order. So similarly, that must have been done in this case also. As per the step taken by me, I serve along with the petition copy. But Your Lordship, I have no objection. I'll serve him today or tomorrow also.
Please do that. Please do that.
To
Okay.
the council. That will be easier for.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner shall serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to Mr. So-and-so. Learned
Standing counsel, my lord.
Learned standing counsel for Arunachal Pradesh University.
Yes.
Pasighat, within a period of
3 days.
Within a period of 3 days from today. MS so-and-so, the learned government advocate. 6/4 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition, listed after 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, the interim may be continued.
Interim, I think your interim is absolute.
No.
It is absolute. Okay, the university may proceed. Okay, okay. It is provided till consideration of the university may proceed in terms of the university. Okay. The interim order passed by this court on 8/8/2024 shall continue till the next.
If the interim can remain absolute, it will be more when till the
It is more or less absolute, though. However, no final result shall be published, more or less. Okay. Till next reasonable date. Okay. What is this?
My lord, earlier I mentioned this
Ah,
for withdrawal, my lord. The petitioner instructed.
you're the counsel for the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
Your good name?
M. Doji, my lord.
M.
M. Doji, my lord. Written in court is my lord. Written is M. Doji, my lord.
Margi.
Margi Doji, my lord.
Margi Doli.
Yes.
Okay.
The petitioner instructed to withdraw the
Mr. Mr. Margi Doli.
Yes, Doji, my lord.
Dorji, I'm sorry. The
DOJ.
legal counsel for the petitioner submits that he has instructions to withdraw the writ petition. The writ petition is accordingly allowed to be withdrawn. Okay.
Obliged.
Yes, next. Over.